हाय एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है नमित कपूर और मैं आप सबका स्वागत करता हूँ वन स्टॉप एमसीए की एक नई, एक शानदार और एक कमाल वीडियो में। तो दोस्तों यार, आज मेरे साथ है मेरे कॉलेज से मेरे सीनियर मोहित उनियाल, जो कि बहुत सारे डेटा साइंस और मशीन लर्निंग कोर्स को मास्टर कर चुके हैं। अभी ये को फाउंडर हैं कोडिंग मिनट्स में, साथ ही कोडिंग इंस्ट्रक्टर हैं, जो आपको गाइड करेंगे आज की इस वीडियो में बहुत ही सारे डेटा साइंस और मशीन लर्निंग कोर्सेज से, और आप किस तरह से इस फील्ड में अपनी जर्नी को स्टार्ट कर सकते हो। साथ ही साथ आप सबके लिए एक सरप्राइज एलिमेंट भी है इस वीडियो के अंदर, जो कि एक छोटा सा गिव अवे है दो कोर्सेज का। जो फर्स्ट कोर्स है वो है पाइथन इन डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स, और दूसरा कोर्स रहेगा गिट एंड गिटहब को कैसे हम लोग मास्टर कर सकते हैं। तो आज हम बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे मोहित भैया के साथ और जानेंगे उनकी जर्नी। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं इस वीडियो को उनके एक क्विक इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ। सो हाय मोहित भैया।
Hello, hi Namit. Thank you for inviting me. Hello everyone. My name is Mohit. Currently, I'm co-founder and programming instructor at Coding Minutes. So those who do not know about Coding Minutes or hearing this word, this company is this initiative for the first time, don't worry about it. We'll talk in the later half of the video. So what exactly Coding Minute is. So as told by Namit, I did my graduation in BSc Computer Science from University of Delhi. In 2019, right? And since then, I have been teaching Python, I've been teaching machine learning, AI, data science. So it's been over 2 years. And I'm also pursuing postgraduate program in machine learning and AI from University of Hyderabad. So that's pretty much about me. And let's get actually started with the video.
राइट गाइस, सो आप सब लोगों ने मोहित भैया की पूरी इंट्रोडक्शन जान ली कि उन्होंने कितनी सारी चीजें कर रखी हैं, कितनी अच्छी अच्छी जगह पे वो कोडिंग इंस्ट्रक्टर थे। तो मोहित भैया, एक बहुत ही नेचुरल सा क्वेश्चन सबके सामने आता है इसके बाद कि हाउ यू डेवलप योर इंटरेस्ट इन दिस फील्ड। कि हम जैसे बीएससी में होते हैं, बीएससी में होते हैं, तो हमारे को इतनी नॉलेज नहीं होती इसके बारे में। तो आपने कैसे अपना इंटरेस्ट डेवलप करा और कैसे आपकी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई, थोड़ा उसके बारे में बताइए।
Okay, so that's really a great question. Very important thing is सबकी story different है. So you can hear my story and take away. So you can take some points from by listening to my story, but you cannot do or replicate the same story. So my story is different, Namit's story is different, someone else's story is different, right? You can learn from the story, but don't try to replicate the same story. So जो मैंने काम किया, don't try to replicate the same thing. So वो path आपको same जगह पे नहीं ले जाएगा. You will have your own path, ठीक है? So I'll tell you one important thing is you need to have a good community. For example, I was involved in the coding and programming stuff since my college, since my school, right? Before coming to the college, I was also included in like C++, C language, HTML, ये सब हो गया. So I was already aware about the programming languages. Then after coming to college, like I got to know about there's a web development, there's a Android development, cybersecurity. So I started with these things, right? I was not sure कि मुझे करना क्या है, but I started exploring things. And there were few friends, like some of my friends were in good colleges, like they were in maybe like they were doing BTech. They were not like with me, but we were in the contact and we were talking about what is the current trend in the technology. So that's when I got to know that one of my friend is actually has started pursuing something like machine learning, a course. And I got to know like जब उसका 6 months or 1 साल already उसने कर लिया था, then I started looking at what exactly this machine learning is, what is data science. I didn't know about कि data science करके कोई term होती है, but I know कि machine learning का एक course होता है, and very popular course called Andrew Young. So the professor at Stanford, Andrew Young, Coursera. So I knew about that course, and that was the most popular course at that time. Like I'm talking about 2017. It's been like 4 years. So उस time I got to know about machine learning data science from one of my friend. Although like after coming to maybe third year or second year, we got to know that हमारे college में और हमारे course में भी data science machine learning के subjects हैं. But at that उस time तक पहुंचने में I already mastered or I already covered whatever they were teaching, professors or teachers were teaching in our college. So that's how actually I started. और start करने में I initially took up this course on from the Stanford machine learning, or it's called 229, and right from Andrew Ng or Coursera, you can understand it like that. Right. And that was heavy. That was mathematic heavy, right? It has a lot of mathematics, like calculating derivatives or doing the linear algebra thing. It has a lot of mathematics. And I was like scared of mathematics. So at one point I was thinking it's not, I cannot do this course, or machine learning is not for me, or data science is not for me. And then I got to like, I asked my friends, right? Or like they were like kind of a helping hand. So they figure out, like we as a whole, like me and my friend figure out that we will start with the basic part. We'll not directly go into the mathematics. And that's how I actually started. And slowly and steady, I build up the mathematical foundation. I build up all the necessity details, right? So it was not that in the first year, in the second year, I directly jumped into machine learning and I mastered that stuff. So it is not possible in 1 year. So slow and steady, I build up the foundation. And yes, so now I can actually teach machine learning as well. So yeah, this is how I started with machine learning and data science.
Right. So what a great journey and what a great experience that Mohit has shared with us. So it's students, this like a step-by-step approach that you have to build and accomplish the first step before going to the next step. So this step-by-step approach helps you to gain some confidence in what you are learning. And but as Mohit said that he is not good at mathematics, but the step-by-step approach helped him to gain this much confidence. As now he is a very good instructor, I can say, and he has 2 courses on Udemy. Right, Mohit Bhaiya. So next question, Mohit Bhaiya, to you is that many of the times we came to know about that this is the course that we want to pursue, go for machine learning, or like we have to go for AI, but we are not clear about the resources many of times. Like you said that there was a course that you get. So next question to me is which books and resources you must refer to students as a beginner at the beginner level so that they can master this course.
Okay, so for machine learning, data science, AI, deep learning, all these things, one thing is like, even if you check internet, there are plenty of resource for even minute thing, or very basic thing, like how to use internet. And if you search this, you will find lot of resources, or lot of knowledge, a lot of information. So similarly, a lot of information or courses are there out over the internet, or maybe like some books are there for machine learning and data science. But we don't have to be overwhelmed by looking at what they are teaching, what is the content, and okay, there's one course, second course, third course, and we are just doing courses one after another. So it is important to figure out what you are going to do, right? You just need to set that, okay, this is the course that I'm going to do, or this is how I'm going to learn machine learning or data science, right? So figuring out what you exactly need to learn is important, right? So if you ask me what resources I used, I actually did a lot of courses. I did courses from Stanford, I did courses from Udemy, I did courses from different websites. So there are a lot of websites as well, right? I also did course from a coding blog as well, right? I read a lot of books on machine learning as well. But it's up to, I read a lot of technical blogs. So it's up to you how you want to learn or how you want to move forward. So there are a few things, like if you are starting with machine learning and data science, very foremost thing is you should know what is Python and how Python works, right? Knowledge of Python is important. And if you already know any language like C++, C, Java, then learning Python is not difficult. You can easily pick up Python language in just 1 week or 10 days. That would be sufficient. And after learning Python, you need to learn some libraries of Python, like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn. These are a few libraries that are used in data science and machine learning. And after that, you can jump to the machine learning algorithm. Now, there are some books like Element of Statistical Learning, or there are some standard books for machine learning. Those, like everyone follow those books. And even I can give you the reference, or I can give you the names of the book if you want me exactly to code these books as well, right? But again, you need to figure out what exactly or how exactly you are going to learn. Maybe I can share you a proper resources, a proper list of resources where you can exactly go. Like if you're in the first month of learning machine learning, then follow these steps or follow these tutorials. It's up to you, right? So even like I followed Coursera course, right? I followed YouTube courses. I followed technical blogs. So like the learning that I took is dispersed into different areas, or different videos, or different courses, or different books. So yeah, this is how I learned machine learning. And still I'm also learning in my college. So College University of Hyderabad, I'm also learning over there. So same thing. Yeah, this is how I actually learned. And if you want to learn machine learning, just let me know. Maybe you can contact me anywhere on my email ID or maybe LinkedIn, and then I can share a proper resources, a proper documentation, like from where you can exactly follow these steps of courses. So that we can do, definitely.
Right. So what a great journey, guys, and what a depth of knowledge that Mohit Bhaiya has. You can see that in the ways Mohit Bhaiya talk about his experience, that from how many different sources he gathered this knowledge. So Mohit Bhaiya, my next question to you is, how is your experience as an instructor till now? Because you have gone to many universities. We have seen that you have taught in many universities. You have inspired many students. So how is your experience as an instructor till now?
Okay, so when I was in college, like 2017 or 2018, I never thought that I'll be joining a company, or maybe I'll be teaching someone. But there was first session on Git and GitHub in my college. So that was the first session or first time I taught someone, or maybe a crowd. So there were like 50, 70 students, and teachers were also there. And I took that session for the first time, right? I was nervous. I was nervous a lot. And since then, I actually started thinking that, okay, so this is like how exactly, like how I want to contribute to the students, or maybe learning of students. Even I was that time, I was students only, right? So after completing the college, I joined coding blocks as an instructor for machine learning and data science. So it's been 2 years. I was there, right? I taught like multiple courses, 3 or 4 times, or 3 or 4 batches. I've given, or I've taken sessions or workshops across, I can say, 30 or 40 colleges, different colleges across India, right? So like it gives immense pleasure when I interact with students, and when any students comes and maybe they send an email or they send a WhatsApp message that I learned maybe machine learning in like 3 months or 4 months, and like that actually gives a lot of pleasure or happiness, right? So I think that this is why I'm still pursuing this teaching as a career, and for the same reason we have started the initiative of Coding Minutes. So maybe we'll talk more about it again. So again, this is a wonderful, great journey so far, and looks great, right? It looked good.
Very,
So,
very
yeah,
motivating. They're very motivating. Even I got really motivated from your Git and GitHub workshop. I know that we organized that in the Blitz, and also after that, you organized a machine learning workshop in 2020 when we were in our third year.
Yes.
So that was also very motivating, and that helps the boost the keen interest that students are having now, that they are not much aware about this field. But when they came to know from an instructor like you that how easy these things can be, so that motivates us more. So my next question is, Priya, you launched a course recently. So what's your motive about that course? That you just want to earn money or get some fame or just help others? Although your motive is clear that you want to help others or build the best community, as many students are not aware about these things. So I want you that if you can share your screen and explain students about your course, so that would be much beneficial for them.
Okay, so fine. Maybe I'll share my screen to show what exactly Coding Minute is. So if you can see the website right now, it's codingminute.com, right? I hope screen is visible, right?
In the description. All the links in the description.
Namit, screen is visible, right?
Right. Yes, screen is visible.
Okay. So Coding Minutes is a new initiative. I won't call it as a business. I won't call it as a company or a startup. So it's a new initiative. It's for the student community. So it's like we have online courses, and these courses are pocket friendly and affordable courses. These are not expensive courses, right? So right now I have launched, I have one course on Python for Data Science Master Course. So it's a course that I launched, I guess last month in June 2021. I launched this course, and this course cover all the knowledge for that you need. If you do not know Python at all, still you can do this course, because for the first 3-4 hours I have covered what exactly Python is, what are function modules, object-oriented programming, right? Everything, starting from like statistics, probability, then all the libraries that I just talked about, like what is NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, OpenCV, Seaborn, Beautiful Soup, scraping, right? So all these things are there, and even databases and SQL, right? There's a bonus section on machine learning. The pricing that Udemy is 8640, that we cannot actually change. So Udemy sets its own pricing. But what we can do is I have created a coupon code, and that is called Coder95. So if you apply Coder95 coupon code, it will give you 490 rupees, right? So that's the minimum right now we can set. And if we can further reduce the pricing, that definitely will let Namit know, and Namit will inform you, everyone, right, in the community post.
Right. A great discount of 94%.
Yeah. So there's one more course that I'm coming up with, and this is called Git and GitHub Master Course. So again, the pricing that we don't set this pricing, and this is right now in the development mode. Maybe in just 2 or 3 days, or like 4 or 5 days, it will be live on Udemy. So yeah, I mean, you can look at the content if you want to see. And even for the Python for data science course, you can, if you want to see what is the content actually, and you want to see some preview videos or sample videos, free videos, you can go and look at some videos as well, right? Or maybe if you want to know that is this course for you or not, or will you be benefited with this course or not, so maybe you can just go and look around with this. There are some few videos that are available, and you can go and check these videos. Still, if you don't think that after enrolling you think that this course is not for you and you're not getting benefit from the course, there's a 30 days money back guarantee as well. Maybe like in 30 days, within 30 days, if you think that the course is not suitable for you, you can take the 100% refund. So that Udemy sets its policy of the Udemy. So that's that we do not control anything, right? So yeah, I mean, this is the second course that I'm coming up with, and this is the website. Maybe you can explore. There are a few more courses that we are going to launch in next month, or maybe by the August, right? So for example, if anyone wants to learn data structure and algorithm essential, so by Pratik, right? So maybe you can sign up for this course and you will get a discount, like you will get a early bird discount. Maybe you just simply go and check which courses do you want to enroll. You'll get a discount around 360 rupees. So the course you will get in 360 rupees. So yeah, I mean, this is all about coding minutes. So I hope now you understand, you know about what is coding minutes, what is the startup, what is the initiative, and what it's all about, right? And at the this is also called campus captain. If you want to join as a campus captain, you can also go and join as a campus captain, right? You just need to fill out this form, all these things, and maybe you can just explore this website and you'll get to know about it. The link will be in the description, right? So over to you, Namit.
Right, guys. So इसी के साथ मोहित भैया जो भी आपको सारे कोर्सेज अभी मोहित भैया ने अपनी वेबसाइट पे जाके दिखाए हैं, इसी के अंदर जो गिट एंड गिट मास्टर कोर्स वाला है, उसके लिए भैया कोई 5 लकी विनर्स को वो कोर्स का गिव अवे होगा हमारे इसी चैनल पे। उसके लिए जो भैया क्राइटेरिया रहेगा वो ये रहेगा कि आपको अपने कोई भी 3 फ्रेंड्स को जाके टैग करना है। हम अभी एक कम्युनिटी पोस्ट बना के डालेंगे इंस्टाग्राम पे, तो आपको उस पोस्ट के नीचे जाके अपने कोई भी 3 फ्रेंड्स को टैग करना है, और साथ ही साथ भैया लिखना है कि आपके लिए कोर्स क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपको ये कोर्स क्यों करना है, या कोई भी आपको जो इंटरेस्ट है आपको वहां पे मेंशन करना है। तो उसके अंदर से हम लोग फिर इन कमेंट सेक्शन में से 5 लकी विनर्स को सिलेक्ट करेंगे जब इस वीडियो पे 500 लाइक्स रीच हो जाएंगे, और उन 5 लकी विनर्स को हम लोग ये वाला जो कोर्स है उसको फ्री में मोहित भैया के थ्रू प्रोवाइड करवा रहे होंगे। सो ये ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव है मोहित भैया का। और साथ ही साथ दोस्तों मैं आपको बता दूं, जैसे अभी हमने इतनी सारी बातें करी कि बच्चे कंफ्यूज रहते हैं कि कैसे हमारे को स्टार्ट करना है, किस तरह से भी आप बेसिक्स क्लियर करें या किस तरह से हम लोग एडवांस पे जाएं, क्योंकि बच्चों के पास, जैसे मोहित भी ने बताया कि प्लेंटी ऑफ रिसोर्सेज आर अवेलेबल ऑन द इंटरनेट, बट वी डोंट नो हाउ टू गो इन द सिस्टमैटिक मैनर। सो ये जो कोर्स मोहित भैया ने अभी पाइथन का बनाया है, इसको मैंने खुद थोड़ा सा देखा था, अभी रिव्यू किया, जैसे मोहित भैया बता रहे थे, तो इसके अंदर एक बिल्कुल स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में, जिस तरह से आपको होता है ना कि एक बेस लेवल से, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ तैयारी अगर आप करो कि कोई भी आप चीज सीखो तो आपको एक इंटरेस्टिंग भी लगती है और आप उसको भैया वर्कआउट भी कर पाते हो। तो बिल्कुल बेस लेवल से उसको एडवांस लेवल में उन्होंने कवर किया है, फिर बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स एंड बहुत सारी एक्सरसाइजेस और बहुत सारा फन उन्होंने क्रिएट करा है। और मैं बता दूं, मतलब मोहित भाई से मैं पढ़ रखा हूँ, खुद से मैंने उनकी लाइफ से अटेंड कर रखे हैं, तो बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेक्ट करके उनके जो जोक्स होते हैं कैट एंड डॉग के, वो भी बहुत बढ़िया होते हैं। तो एक पूरा आपको इंटरेक्टिव माहौल मिलेगा कोर्स के अंदर भी, तो आप बहुत ज्यादा इन्वॉल्व होकर उसे करोगे तो आपको उनसे बहुत इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा और बहुत समझ आएगा। सो मोहित भैया, थैंक यू सो मच इतनी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन को हमारे लिए, मतलब इतना अच्छे कोर्स में लेके आने के लिए और सब बच्चों को इतना गाइड करने के लिए। मोहित भैया, मेरा लास्ट क्वेश्चन ये रहेगा कि अब आगे आने वाली इंडस्ट्री की, जैसे हम 5 इयर्स को देखते हैं, तो उसमें मशीन लर्निंग और एआई क्या इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करने वाली है? जैसे आप इस फील्ड से आप इनिशिएट हो रखे हो, आपको 3-4 साल का इसमें एक्सपीरियंस है, तो आपको क्या लगता है आगे आने वाले 5 साल में हमारे को एज ऑप्शन, करियर ऑप्शन में क्या क्या चीजें इसमें देखने को मिलेंगी, या हम और क्या क्या चीजों को इसमें आगे जाके देखेंगे? तो उस पर थोड़ा सा आप बच्चों को गाइड करो।
Definitely. So data science, machine learning as a career is something like you are saving the whole future, right? So you can actually invest your time right now in data science, machine learning, and this career as a data scientist or as machine learning, as artificial intelligence, right? So this will be there, this will remain there like for the next 40-50 years. And why I'm saying this is, if you look at lot of details around, or lot of things around you, maybe if you go out and you look around things that are happening, lot of machine learning, a lot of data science is involved in every sector. For example, let's take a very basic example of banking sector. Now, how data science is used in banking sector. Now, let's take example of HDFC Bank. Now, HDFC Bank has data about a lot of customers. The purpose of bank is to provide loan or to issue a credit card so that the customer comes, or maybe they can retain the customer, they can make money out from the customer, and so on and so forth, right? So what bank do actually, they collect the data about a customer, what transaction they have made, all these things, right? Whatever the information they have, whatever the data they have in their databases, like SQL or maybe any database. Now, as a data scientist, the responsibility is find out of maybe 100,000 employees, out of 100,000 customers, a lot of customers are there for HDFC Bank. Out of 100,000 customers, find those particularly 1,000 or maybe like 100 customers, those who have high probability of subscribing or maybe taking a loan or getting a credit card, and so on and so forth. So if you find that there are 100 customers, those who can take your credit card, then the marketing team will not unnecessarily call to maybe 10,000 customer or maybe 100,000 customer, right? They can utilize their workforce into calling only those 100 customers. Those are potential. Similarly, a lot of other domain, data science is being used. Data science is used in data science, machine learning is used in self-driven car, right? Similarly, there are stores that are automated stores. There's no one at the counter to do the billing. Amazon has these stores in US, right? If you simply go into the Amazon store and you pick up any item and you put it in the basket, then your amount will be maybe debited from your account, right? Automatically. Though, so how do actually they do Amazon? Amazon do object detection. For example, if you have picked up a Pepsi can, right? They will understand, okay, you have picked up a Pepsi can, and they will find what is the cost, and they will charge that amount from your Amazon Pay account. So all these things are there, and even a lot of companies like Google, right, Microsoft, and take any company name, they are using machine learning and data science. So it's not that that machine learning or data science is going anywhere in the next coming maybe 40, 50 years, right? In fact, machine learning AI is the next future, because we haven't achieved a lot in AI. So AI, we have like achieved a tiny bit, right? So there's a lot of possibilities that we can do in AI, machine learning, and data science. And right now, this is an important time to invest yourself into the data science, because companies were busy collecting the data in the last 1 decade or 2 decades. And now is this the correct time to analyze the data, to get some important insights from the data, so that they can grow their business, so that they can help community or the whole society, or for the betterment of the society, right? So this is actually the career, or this is the future of data science, machine learning, AI. Right. So this is what I want to comment. Yeah.
And not only this, machine learning and AI is also covering up all the sectors, be it medical sector, be it law sector, be it any other sector. It's impacting every sector, as we can see about the coronavirus and how the strains are. All this copying and these things are analyzed by data science, use of data science in that field also. So Mohit, thank you so much for this interactive session, and thank you for coming up here and enlightening our students regarding this field. I will leave your LinkedIn in the description box. So if students are having any doubt regarding the course, or even you have any doubt regarding the journey to start with the data sciences or with the machine learning, you can contact Mohit Bhaiya, or just leave your doubt in the comment section below. We will ask Mohit Bhaiya to visit the comment section and answer your questions. So thank you, everyone. Right.
Yeah.
So thank you, everyone. Thank you, and all the best for your career. Thank you, Mohit Bhaiya.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Most people take the easy road and wonder why they don't reach their goals. There's too much traffic on it. But me, I take the growth road. It's empty, it's an uphill battle, but that's how I want it. Most people give up. They say life's too